Kenny here with Gardening Simplified. It's May 30th and we're doing a little garlic harvest. So let me show you what's going on. Okay, we've got our little elephant garlic harvest. We've got about a little under a 20-foot row, and our little wagon here's filled up. Any of you that's familiar with elephant garlic know that it produces a really large bulb. You got really large cloves, and it puts off these little nodules on here. Now these nodules can be planted and they'll grow and make a garlic bulb. Now it won't have cloves that first year, so they say, but it will grow into a bulb. Now the second year it'll go ahead and make a bulb with cloves. But anyway, we've got a pretty good bit of it. We're gonna get this in, let it dry, and then what we'll do is, normally whenever we process this, now I did do a video sometime back on taking care of this, and I'll probably put that at the end, and I'll go ahead and link up the video where we planted this garlic, so you'll be familiar with that. But yes, we have a pretty good harvest, and we've got quite a bit of garlic left because we've got about 25 foot here, and then at the very end down there we've got probably another couple 20-foot rows. Normally when we'd harvest garlic, we'd let it turn a little more brown, but with all the moisture, the reason we're harvesting it now is because a lot of times when you get a lot of moisture, you get something like this. You can see how this is splitting on its outer sheath, and in fact some of these actually have sprouted out here. It's got but what happens is, once it breaks this outer sheath, this bulb won't store as well. So these will be some that you want to use first. A lot of these are still young, and you can see like this one, it has not formed its cloves. Now this garlic is just as good to eat as any others. A lot of times I'll save a lot of these that didn't clove out, and I'll use them for my seed for next year's garlic, because it has a lot of energy, and it'll turn around and it'll take and form a nice big bulb with cloves that next year. So, but anyway, I thought I would touch on that while I'm doing this. All right, we've got it all bundled and tied, and we'll just let it dry right here. There's all kinds of ways you can let it dry, but this works real good for us. And if you want to see more of my videos, I hope you like this one. Just hit that subscribe button, hit the bell so you'll be notified. And of course, if you liked it, give it a big thumbs up and share this video. It really helps my channel. Happy gardening.